Molloy really has a beautifully structured nursing program. We actually start our sophomore year doing our clinicals, and I think that that really gives us a major advantage on getting comfortable in the clinical setting. I also had actually two professors. One was my pharmacology professor. The way she taught, while the material was very heavy, she explained everything so well. And I also had another professor as well, my community professor. Seeing her go out into the community with us at the senior center during one of my clinicals, her passion for helping others and understanding people of all populations was extremely contagious, and I just want to go out and do the same. I would love to get some experience as a new grad in med-surg, seeing where, different types of patient populations. Eventually, I would like to go into the intensive care unit and take care of the really sick patients and really just emotionally connect with people, and then eventually teach future nursing students. To all of the nursing students out there, don't give up. Learn from your mistakes and just remember that you are going to find your place. Thank you, Molloy.